you again.
10,000 years will give you such a crick in the neck.
Maybe next time. Yeah, what a funny coincidence. I love Sprunky Adventure movies. Clever, right? After all, you won't really have a choice, lover boy. Oh, Gray, I am thanks to you. Thank you so much. I'm Lilly, and you're my hero, Gray. How can I ever repay you?